here is how we can check the iPhone tracking. So let me guide you through all of the possible ways we can check it out. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe to Foxtecc for more of these types of videos. But we open up the settings at first, and a part of the privacy and security section, we have a dedicated menu for tracking. So that might be the thing which you are interested in. At first, and at the top, we have the allow apps to request to track. This is the pop-up when you get it through, using an app, and it's going to ask you that for a better, more personalized experience, we can track your usage in here, and you get to decide if you allow it or not. So in here, we can disable even the ability for the app to ask us. But if not, we can also manage it right here for all of the individual apps which have asked already. So that's definitely the tracking that a lot of people might be interested in, even though it's not location tracking, it's just behavior or usage tracking of these apps. So that's something which you can most definitely check out. Outside of that, since we are in the privacy and the security already, we have the location services, and you can as well see which app can see and use your location and of course in which time of the day. For example, you can choose an app to never access your location, but also while using, for instance, that might be something which you probably prefer a little more, but you don't really need it to set up the location always. Because, for example, there are plenty of apps which would love to have access to your location all the time, even if you're not using the app actively. So, it's up to you to decide if you allow it or not. And when it comes to other people like tracking your location, this can be done either through the Find My or through some other methods like the WhatsApp sharing of location, whatever. But when it comes to the Find My, just pay attention to the people section at the bottom and see if anybody is like sharing or accessing your location. So you would be able to see it right here. And if you don't wish that to be the case, you can just delete that connection and you would be good to go. So that is all from me. I really hope that I can explain it well to you. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more upcoming videos and tips like this, and I'll see you later.